Tesla plans to launch a 6-seat version of its Model Y in China by late 2025, aiming to increase the appeal of its best-selling electric vehicle amid rising competition from local manufacturers. The U.S. automaker has instructed suppliers to prepare for a significant increase in production at its Shanghai factory, although the expansion awaits regulatory approval for the use of additional land. This production boost comes after Tesla recorded a 6% year-on-year increase in Model 3 deliveries in the first half of 2023, thanks to a revamped version introduced last year. The new 6-seat variant of the Model Y is a strategic move to differentiate the vehicle from domestic rivals like Nio and Zeekr, which have launched more spacious and competitively priced alternatives. While Tesla is adding a larger variant in China, the company continues to focus on developing self-driving and robo-taxi technology in the U.S. market. The Model Y remains the best-selling vehicle in China across all power types, with over 207,800 units sold in the first half of the year, but faces increasing pressure from models like BYD's Seagull sedan. Tesla anticipates that the introduction of its full self-driving feature by the end of the year and growing sales in smaller Chinese cities will further boost its market position.